Day 4 in Oshkosh is here. I slept in. Let's get going. Checked out the airplane workshop where home building skills like shaping and fabric skills are demonstrated. Listen to some controllers talk about what VFR services they make available. Do 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 do. This was going to be the day I took my first helicopter ride, but the wait was 3 hours, so instead it turned out to be the day I saved $65. The Thunderbirds, cool. The Air Force demonstrated a C-17's ability to land on a short field. The reverse thrusters were so strong it actually rolled backwards. They also did a short field takeoff. The day ended with a wartime movie, Captains of the Clouds.